Before I start my presentation, it's a good idea to introduce myself first. My name is Tommy Joshua Siregar, NPM 198220113 from Bilingual Class. Today, I will present my final project in macroeconomic. In chapter 1, we discuss the background. Indonesia climate is generally influenced by seasonal conditions that the produce of Indonesian monsoon current. Sumatra is classified as a climate type A, very wet area where the peak of rainy season falls between October and January, sometimes until February. Based on this climate, Sumatra has peat forests, which are generally located in climate type A or B areas, namely on the east coast of Sumatra, tropical rain forests and monsoon forests. Then I will discuss in the problem formulation section. The formulation of the problem in this study is 1. What are the effects and impact result from climate change in North Sumatra? 2. What are the forms of climate change in North Sumatra? 3. What factor influence climate change in North Sumatra? And 4. What is the climate projection in the North Sumatra and Indonesia in 2026? Then we move on the research objective. The objective of this research are as follow. 1. To find out the effect and impact of climate change in North Sumatra and Indonesia. 2. To find out the form of climate change in North Sumatra and Indonesia. 3. To find out the factor that influence climate change in North Sumatra. 4. To find out the climate project in North Sumatra and Indonesia in 2026. Furthermore, the benefit of research are: A. For research to increase knowledge about climate in Indonesia. B. For decision maker, provide advice and input in anticipating the impact of climate change in Indonesia. Next, I will explain part of chapter 2. Weather and climate. Weather and climate are one component of natural ecosystem, so that life, animals, and plants cannot be separate from the influence of the atmosphere and its process. Hydraulical cycle. The hydraulical cycle is the journey of water from the sea surface to the atmosphere, then to the land surface and back again to the sea, which never stops. Climate anomaly. Climate anomaly are climate definition or short-term change in climate. Climate change. Climate change is a long-term season change in pattern of temperature, water droplets, humidity, wind, and seasons. Things that can be evidence of climate change include change in rainfall, shift in season, change in air temperature, humidity, and wind speeds, as well as frequent extreme climate events. Rainfall area. The three are three different ways to determine the average height of rainfall in the particular area from the rainfall figure at several measures of recording point. Arithmetic mean method, Bayesian method, and Isouet method. In chapter 3, Types of research. This type of research is included in the quantitative research, method of determination of research area. This research was conducted in North Sumatra province. Data collection technique. Technique for collection data from 1. Observation, 2. Journal, 3. Reference from the Central Statistics Agency or BPS, 4. Reference for the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency. Data types and source. The types and source of data used are: the data used in this study is secondary data and the time span used in 10 years, namely 2011-2020. Secondary data obtained from the Central Statistics Agency of North Sumatra. Research result, journal and literature. Chapter 4. The following is the climate data in North Sumatra. How to find supplies forecast in 2026 will be done using the trend linear or R-square method. The formula used in this equation is y equals a plus bx. The formula is y equals a plus bx. To find equals y divided by n, so a equals 21,980 divided by 10, the result is 2,198. And to find b equals sum xy divided by sum x2, so the result can be obtained. Using this formula are 59,016.00 divided by 370 equals 159,502. Then to find the amount of rainfall is to use y equals a plus bxy 2026 equals 2,198 plus 159.50 the x, or multiple in 2026. Y 2026 equals 2,198 plus 159.502 25. Y 2026 equals 20,198 plus 3,987,550. Y 26 equals 3,989.74. If in 2019 the value of x is equals 11, then the value of x applies to the next multiple, namely 2020 equals 13, 2021 equals 15, 2022 equals 17, 2023 equals 19, 2024 equals 21, 2025 equals 23, 2026 equals 25. From this multiple, we get the value x in 2026 with a value of 26. From the projection above, it can be concluded that in 2026, 5 years ahead, the estimated climate change in North Sumatra province is 3,989.74 million millimeter of rainfall. Conclusion: climate change is a long-term season change in pattern of temperature, water droplets, humidity, wind, and seasons. Things that can be evidence that climate change has occurred include change in rainfall, shift in season, change in air temperature, humidity, and wind speed, as well as frequent extreme climate events. The results of the study stated that the area in North Sumatra or Sumut has various geographical and topographical conditions, ranging from coastal, lowland, highland, mountainous, and island. This can cause more variability in rainfall. Descriptive analysis methods, simple statistics in the form of averaging, standardization of anomalous, and interpol of distinct weight are used in this study. Suggestion: based on the result of the conclusion that have been put forward, the author provides some suggestions as follows. 1. The government need to provide more complete data availability in order to provide more accurate information. 2. It is necessary to have data available from the meteorology, climatology, and geophysics agency so that it can be accessed more easily in order to maximize the available information. 3. It is necessary to inform the public about climate education in North Sumatra and Indonesia so that the public can be more aware of climate change in North Sumatra and Indonesia and can anticipate existing change. That's all for me. I want to apologize if there are any mistakes. Thank you.